Welcome to InfoNest, where we unlock the vault of wisdom. In this series, we're exploring political theory, laying the groundwork for our upcoming discussions on political philosophers. Political theory isn't just about history, it's about the ideas that shape governments, societies, and even our daily lives. So, whether you're a student, a researcher, or just curious, this video will give you the essential knowledge to understand political ideologies and theories in depth. Political theory is the study of ideas that shape governments, policies, and societies. As Keynes' 1936 said, "The world is ruled by little else but ideas." Political theorists explore concepts like justice, power, freedom, and authority. Unlike political science, which studies political behavior and institutions, political theory examines what ought to be. Political theory dates back to Plato, or 4th century BC, and spans through thinkers like Aristotle, Hobbes, Rousseau, and Hegel. These philosophers explored the ideal government, the role of citizens, and the balance between authority and liberty. In modern times, theorists like Hannah Arendt and Michael Oakeshott emphasized politics as a space for freedom and human development. Political theory and political science are connected but different. Political science focuses on facts, data, and patterns in politics, while political theory deals with values and ideals. As Coban, 1953, explained, "Science describes what is, while theory explores what ought to be. Both are essential for understanding governance." With globalization, political theory has expanded to address new challenges like human rights, gender equality, and environmental policies. Stay tuned as we dive into Plato's vision in the next videos. Understanding political theory helps us engage in informed discussions and shape a better future. So, keep questioning, keep learning,